What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're diving into the best PC gaming accessories you can grab right now to make your gameplay more comfortable, immersive, and downright elite. Forget that old dusty gear. We're talking the game changers. I've hunted down the top 8 accessories that will upgrade your setup, improve performance, and maybe even save you some cash. Monitors, mics, headsets, and a mind-bending controller alternative. We've got it all. Stick around till the end for our number 1 pick every serious gamer needs. All the links are in the description, so check them out after the video. Let's go! 8. Huanyo Nitroglide Dual Monitor Stand HNDS7. Starting strong, the Huanyo HNDS7 isn't just a monitor stand, it's a total desk upgrade. Ergonomics matter for comfort and reaction time, especially if you're rocking dual 4K or high refresh monitors. The HNDS7 handles 13 inches to 40-inch screens up to 26.4 pounds each, far outperforming most mid-range stands. The gas spring Nitroglide system lets you tilt, swivel, rotate 360 degrees, and adjust height effortlessly. Bonus: integrated USB ports for charging peripherals. Compared to pricier arms like Ergotron, this delivers 95% of the performance at a fraction of the cost. Minor con? Initial tension calibration takes some patience. For anyone serious about comfort, this is a foundational upgrade. 7. Maono PD200W Hybrid Wireless Podcast Microphone. At number 7, the Maono PD200W is a powerhouse for streaming and content creation. Triple mode connectivity, XLR, USB-C, and 2.4 GHz wireless gives you maximum versatility. Walk around your studio or room while maintaining broadcast quality sound with a claimed 60-hour battery life. Its cardioid 30mm capsule isolates your voice and rejects background noise, which makes mechanical keyboards and PC fans almost invisible on your stream. Build quality is all metal, and customizable RGB adds flair. Compared to the Shure MV7, it's a win in flexibility. One device does it all. Minor gripe: the infinite spin gain knob is easier to tweak via software. 6. Skapendy Wireless Gaming Headset number 6. The Skapendy headset packs high-end features into a budget-friendly package. Dual mode connectivity. 2.4 GHz dongle for lag-free gaming on PS5, PC, Mac, plus Bluetooth for Switch, mobile, tablets. Massive 50mm drivers deliver 3D surround sound, essential for competitive play. The real standout: 50-hour battery life, without RGB. Comfort is top-notch with memory foam ear cushions and ENC mic to reduce background noise. Limitations? You can't mix audio from dongle and Bluetooth at the same time. But for untethered marathon sessions, this headset is nearly unbeatable. 5. Desktop Steam Deck Keyboard and Bluetooth Trackpad Mouse. A niche but powerful accessory for handheld PC gamers. The Desktop turns your Steam Deck or ROG Ally into a mini laptop. It combines a Bluetooth keyboard and trackpad on a stable bracket with 360 degrees. Swivel, low latency performance ensures smooth input, while the adjustable angle mimics a clamshell laptop. Drawbacks: function keys require key combos, and bulky cases may need to be removed. If you use desktop mode often, this is a must-have for stability and convenience. 4. Gimars RGB Gaming Mousepad with 15-watt wireless charging number 4. Blends performance with utility. The Gimars mousepad features a 15-watt wireless charging zone for phones and earbuds, plus a massive 31.5 inches by 11.8 inches surface for keyboards and mouse. High-density micro-textured fabric balances control and speed, while the 4mm anti-slip rubber base keeps it planted. RGB with 10 modes adds style, though you need a separate 9-volt 2-ampere adapter for full charging speed. Compared to SteelSeries QCK Prism, this pad combines desk organization, charging, and gaming precision in one sleek setup. 3. Govee Smart LED light bars. Stepping into immersion, the Govee Smart LED bars use RGBICWW tech to show multiple colors on a single bar with accurate warm/cool white LEDs. Music Sync reacts to in-game audio instantly. No extra hub required. Mounting options are flexible. Build quality is solid, and integration with Alexa/Google Assistant is seamless. Compared to Philips Hue Play bars, Govee delivers professional flair at a fraction of the price. Perfect for streamers or gamers wanting a dynamic setup. 2. Color Coral Cleaning Gel Universal Dust Cleaner. The penultimate pick isn't high-tech, but your keyboard will thank you. This putty-like gel removes crumbs, dust, and pet hair from the smallest gaps, something cloths and compressed air often miss. Reusable until visibly dirty, non-toxic, and easy to use. Limitation: it fails on oily/wet messes and is temperature sensitive. For routine cleaning, it's unbeatable. 1. Razer Tartarus V 2 Gaming Keypad. And finally, the #1 pick, the Razer Tartarus V 2 Gaming Keypad. This single-handed command center is perfect for MMOs, MOBs, and macro-heavy games. 32. Programmable keys with mecha membrane switches, plus an 8-way thumb pad and scroll wheel. Double to 64 commands with hypershift. Ergonomic wrist and palm rest reduces strain. And Razer Synapse software makes customization nearly limitless. Drawbacks: steep learning curve and software bugs. But if you want maximum command speed, comfort, and customization, this is the ultimate accessory for competitive play. Wrap up and call to action. There you have it. The top 8 PC gaming accessories that will upgrade your setup, enhance comfort, and level up your performance. From ergonomic monitors and pro-grade mics to immersive lights and the game-changing Tartarus V2. There's something here for every serious gamer. Which one are you grabbing first? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. New gear reviews every week. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. All links are in the description. Peace out.